All right, so now let's talk about what you're going to be doing in your sketchbook. So you all will have a copy of this PDF in Schoology, or for my face-to-face learners in school, it's the balance, and it shows all the influencers that I talked about: asymmetrical, symmetrical, radial, and crystallographic. Hard to say, but basically that's just repeating the same object. So what did we learn? We learned about the influencers. What can you use to influence balance? Can you create texture? Can you change the size of things to affect the overall balance? So now you're going to show me what you learned. In your sketchbook, you are going to draw the following: a symmetrical drawing, which you can see in the top left is I drew a butterfly. An asymmetrical drawing, and there you can see my tree. Also, drawing the axis will help. A radial drawing, there you see I put a point in the center and then I created my drawing around it. And crystallographic, which is just repeating the shapes, okay? Then at the bottom, you will see a drawing with balance using 3 influencers. So if you can see in my picture, all right, I have my balance, which I feel like is symmetrical. I have a big, thick tree, but then balanced by some tall, skinny trees. So remember the quantity that we talked about? So smaller trees will equal the balance of one heavy tree. So I used quantity, I used size, and then you can see the change in the value. So my trees in the back are darker, creating one value from dark green to light green. So this might take a little thinking, guys, and I'm willing to help out and help you walk through that drawing. This is, like I said, this is kind of a lot, but let's just try to talk through it together and see what we can come up with. The next activity you're going to be doing is your famous piece balance drawing. So this week you learned about Leonardo da Vinci. You can use his paintings, which if you can see in my example, there's Leonardo's window, or someone else's, but you must use a painting. So I did one of Leonardo's, and then I did Rene Magritte painting there, which shows symmetrical balance. You can see it's called the bowler hat. So the man on the left is kind of balanced with the man on the right. So you can't tell from the sketch, but I wrote down the influencers, which were color and value. And then for Leonardo's window, it's asymmetrical because the woman is really heavy at the front, but it's balanced by some tiny houses and trees in the back. So you're drawing and you're sketching, and then you're identifying the balance used in the piece. And then all you have to do is submit in Schoology. Take pictures, use the Create button to upload multiple pictures, and you will be done.